Okay, good morning. Welcome to
Minute Math number 19, so that's Math Problem number 2.
Okay, so this is the same problem we did on Minute Math last night, or actually me and your brother did on Minute Math last night. But this is Math Practice 32, because we just started talking about area in Beast Academy, right? And this is a fun area problem. Figure ABCD is a square. Do you see this big square here? Inside this square are three smaller squares, and drawn with side lengths shown. So, sorry, I don't have some of this stuff your brother and I wrote. Here's one square with side length 1. Here's one square with side length 3. And here's one square with side length 1. You see those? What is the area of the L-shaped shaded region? This one here. Okay, you remember we talked about area, and area of squares you just build up out of 1 by 1 blocks?
Yeah.
Yeah? So let's figure out, if we can, how big the big square is. How long is it on each side? Okay, do you see how to do that?
Yeah, you take this 1 by 1 block.
Okay, and then you start with a 1 by 1 block, and then how far do you have to go over to get all the way to the end?
It looks like a 3 by 3 block.
Well, where's the 3 by 3? Can you show me with your fingers? It's here. So if I go over 3, how far do I go? All the way to the end if I go over 3?
No, you go here.
I stop about here. And then how much farther do I have to go to get to the end, do you think?
That's maybe like 1 more block.
One more block, because it's the part up here, right? So I go zhink, zhink, and then zhink, and I'm all the way over to the end. So if I go 1 here, and I go 3 here, and I go 1 here, how far did I go?
A 5 block.
5. I went 5 blocks over, and then it said it's a square, right? So that means if it's 5 long, it's 5 high. So I made a 5 by 5 square out of Duplos beforehand. Okay, so first of all, how many Duplo blocks did I need to make a 5 by 5 square?
Well, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in each row. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. So that's 25.
25 blocks. Now, to figure out this L-shaped piece, we need to take blocks away. So do you see a block we should take away?
Then we could take away this block.
Whoa.
Oops.
Okay. Which block do you want to take away?
We could take these blocks to make the L.
Okay, go ahead. Start taking blocks away. Maybe start from the top, yeah. You need some help?
Yeah.
Okay, those ones all go away. Good. Where else?
This one.
Alright.
That one's hard.
That one. This one? This one too?
Yep.
Okay.
And then we work our way down.
Alright.
The ones on the outside are easier.
The ones on the outside are a little easier. Okay,
So
now,
that's the L.
is that the L? Is the L 5 high? How high is the L in the picture? How high is the L?
It's the same same length as a 4 by 4 square.
Yeah. So do we have to take any more blocks away to make the L?
We have to take away this one.
Now that block corresponds to this square up here, right? And what other one do we have to take away?
And this one down
Yeah,
here.
that one down there. Now do we have our L?
Yeah, we do.
Okay. How big is that L? How many blocks are in that L?
There's 2, 7.
7. There you go. So all we did for this problem, one way to do this problem, was to make the big square. We had to figure out it was a 5 by 5 square. We made it out of Duplos. And then we just took all the Duplo blocks away that weren't part of our L. And we had 7 blocks left. So we started with 25 and we ended up with?
7.
So the area of the L is?
There, 7.
7. Very good. High five. That's fun. It's a fun way to use Duplo blocks to learn a little bit about geometry, right? Good job. Was that fun?
Yep.
All right. Good job today, honey.